Hey y'all, it's gonna be another video of me waxing my underarms today, showing you guys exactly what I do to get that smooth skin underarms. This is how I do it at my house. I've already made a video about this before. This is how I do it at my house. Y'all don't have to do nothing that I say. This is just how I have been doing it for years. We have, of course, we have our pre-wax, our after wax. We have some powder. You can use baby powder, but this is the only powder I have. You can also, there's also going to be spatulas in the kit as well as hard wax. Now this is the wax that I'm using today, but this is not the wax that I usually use because this kit already comes with wax. So I just purchased some more wax. It all works the same, hard wax. That's what you need. That's what will come in the kit. And then of course our wax pot. Now I'm gonna put the wax pot temperature all the way up because I need the wax to start melting. This is gonna take some time. Wait for our wax to get soft. Let's go ahead and just wait a little minute and then come back. But usually I wax about once a month. I don't like shaving because honestly, it always grows back a day or two after, and I hate that. It's not gonna come with powder, but it will come with the spatulas. The powder is just something I use so that because under my arms, I sweat a lot. So you wanna make sure that you're not sweating when you apply the wax because that's just gonna leave it in a sticky, messy way and it's going to be harder for it to be removed. You don't want the wax to adhere to your skin, just your hair.
This right here just shows that the wax is absolutely too hot. It looks really runny and it's almost water-like. So you don't want to wax your skin with wax that looks like this. Now that all my wax is melted though, we're going to turn the temperature all the way down to 100 and let it sit. We let the wax sit. This is more of the consistency we're looking for. You want to roll your wrist and then make like a ball and then see how long it takes for it to drop. It took a while for it, so that means that it's ready.
Okay, y'all, now that my wax is ready, let's get started. Things first, we're gonna take our pre-wax. And just cleanse that area. I think you can also use toner if you don't have pre-wax, but this should come in the kit, so you should be good. I'm gonna grab some of that powder. You can use baby powder, but I'm using translucent powder. It's makeup powder, so you're not supposed to use the powder I'm using for your underarms, but this is just what I'm using today because that's what's going on with me, okay? Y'all do what y'all do, I'm gonna do what I do. What we wanna do is get our spatula. We're gonna scoop up some wax, twist our wrist like this to create a little ball at the end of the stick. Once we have our ball, we're going to hold the stick this way, not this way, this way. And we're going to slide it and press it down hard. Once we press it down hard, we're going to make a little loop at the bottom. Why? Because that's going to be our little tab to pull up. Now, I'm going to show you. We have our ball. We're going to place it here. We're going to, like I said, pull it all the way down. Make a loop. A loop, a little lip, if you will. But see how this is too thin? See how this is thin right here? We have to make sure this is all solid, or it's gonna rip in different places and not all together. So we're gonna do that again. Add some more wax. Now, this is going to hurt, especially because I have not waxed in a while. Usually I just go 1 month, but I went almost 2. So this is not gonna feel the best. And to get all that, you're gonna have like some of that, like some of these little strings. Just twirl your little, your little wand around, get them strings up. You're gonna touch on this, you're gonna wait till it dries. Little dance break. It dries pretty fast, so you should be good. You're gonna make that little tab. See, now I have something to pull. Are we gonna count? Nah. press. Make sure you have a good grip when you pull. This is all my hairs. Can we see? Let me get out the camera. All the hairs that came off. That's what it's looking like. Now, we got one side down, but we have to do a touch-up strip. I always do 2 pulls on one underarm. That's just me. That's just me. Now that we did it going down, we're gonna grab some more wax and we're gonna put it downwards and go up. So we're going the opposite way. I always start with the wax going down, then I do a second one and go with the wax going up. So we're gonna start from the bottom right here. We're gonna pull it up and go around. Bring it on down. We gotta make this thicker, like I said. Start from the bottom, work our way up. And I keep my wax on 108. That is what I keep my wax on, to just keep it regular, especially if there's a lot of wax. If there is a little bit of wax, you might want to put it at 100 so that it's not too hot, but if there's a lot of wax in there, I keep it at 108. All right, now we're gonna wait for this to dry. Now that we created this lip up here, we can pull it. See? And we got the rest of the hairs off. Wasn't that many hairs left, honestly. Focus. Wasn't that many hairs left. So, oh my God. Thank you. So we're gonna use our after wax now. And we're just gonna spray our underarm. Smooth that on in. Nice and, look at the results. Nice and smooth. This is gonna last me some time. So now that you've seen one underarm, we can go ahead and do the second one. Before, after. T.